Okay, let's do this question. Fine. In the case smaller pair distance. So you can see the distance of pair of integer a and b is defined as the absolute difference between a and b. The given integer array nouns and the k return the case smallest distance among all the pairs. So here you can see our example. So when you see the question like the case, right? Case smaller pair distance. If you see this kind of words, it's possible using a binary search. Now, for example, this our example, the k equal to 2. I just make simple, and then now we know before we go through the array in using the binary search, we need to sort it. So now after sorting, we got 1, 4, 6. Now we need to find the second smaller distance, right? Now we know here we got 6 minus 1, we got the maximum distance, maximum difference, right? Is 5. So now how to get, so actually we know the range should be in within the 5. So we cannot over the 5, right? We know this one, 6 minus 1 is our maximum distance. So it cannot over the 5. So which is 5 on the possible pair in the 5, right? Now, for example, maybe for example, we have target distance. The target distance is 7, and then we have the. I just give an example. That's maybe 5 and 2 and 3. Here's not 5. Maybe here's 4. Now we sum up this one. 4 plus 1. We know we got 5. 5 should be less than 7, right? Oh no, I would say 4 is minus 1. We got 3, right? 3 is less than 7. So do you think we need to go over all the name? We don't need to, right? Because this one is smaller one. Smaller minus maximum value still less than 7. So even though that we moving this pointer to here, definitely it's getting smaller value, right? The 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 got 2, right? And the 3 minus 4, the 4 minus 3, we got 1. So you can see the value getting smaller. So if we find out, okay, this one minus this one smaller, so 4 minus 1 still smaller than 7. Okay, we know we don't need to keep calculating on the name. We don't need to go through this one. We just get the distance. We get this position and minus the first position, and then we got it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 3 and 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 0. So they have 3 pairs. They have 3 pairs less than 7. So we can quickly get all the possible pair. So I'm not sure. Do you know what I mean? So I just give you an example how to using the binary search to get the case pair, case smaller distance. That's our solution. Maybe a little bit messy. I'm not sure. I explain this one very well. So so anyway, just using the binary search. Now I will show you the code. The first step, we need to we need to sort it, right? And then we need to get minimum distance 0 and the maximum distance is the next minus 1, right? Now we got 1 second. It should be minus The numbers are 0, so we got the maximum distance beyond the last value minus first value. We got the maximum difference, and then we need to go to this array. Now we need to get make distance. It's the minimum distance plus maximum distance minus minimum distance divided by 2. So because we need to get a middle distance, now we need to get the pair count. I need to find. We need to pass in the non-array and the middle distance. So a pair count next name k. So we know we need to mean the distance, middle distance plus 1. Otherwise, oh wow, okay, error. Now here's maximum, right? Maximum distance equal to middle. So middle distance, because here's if this one is not said, if we didn't satisfy this condition, which means the pair is greater or equal to k. So that's why we just assign the middle distance to maximum. And finally, we just return the mean distance. Now next step we need to complete the find method. Return in find nouns, and we also need to provide the target array, target distance. Now here we got left start from, we had 2 pointer and total. So we need to return a total pair. So we have for loop start from 1. Now, so we need to check while loop here. If length minus nouns left, okay, now it's greater than, if greater than target distance, which means we need to move the left pointer to right. Okay, sorry, here's bi. So now total I minus left. Now I complete this one, which is count. If here you can see the most right value minus left value is greater than target distance. Okay, we just, because we need to narrow the window. You can understand here is window, right? So next what we need to narrow the window, and then okay, now we find out, okay, the distance less than or equal to the target. So now we need to count the number of pair in the window, and then here we just return it. And you can see it's passed on the test case. Now submit it. Okay, now I would say the time capacity is here is log n. Here's log n, but here we also go through the one. It's log n time to n, so it's n log n, because here is n. Here's n, and this for loop is within the while loop. The while loop is the log n because we are using the binary search, right? So the finally time capacity is b of n log n. And space capacity is, yeah, even though here's because we saw it, so it also is n log n. The space capacity is b of log n. I forgot that it's log n or log 1 is 1. So I'm not sure if you are you can search that what is the space complexity here. Thank you for watching this video.